Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So this is very easy process. I will show the step by step how to unblock someone on Facebook. So let's start it. First of all, you have to go to your Facebook app. Then you have to click on the three dot and the top right corner. Then if you scroll down, then you will get the setting and privacy option. From here you have to click on settings. Then if you scroll down, then you will get the blocking option. After that, after clicking on blocking, you will get the add to block list and person who are available on the block list. From here you can unblock anyone. So if you click on unblock, then this message will show you. So if you agree to unblock this person and don't want to block again within next 48 hours, then you can unblock by clicking the unblock option. Okay, after that you can see that that person is not available on the block list. That's it. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.